A very warm welcome to Astro Yogi channel and wish you all a very happy new year 2021. We all must have spent really happily and joyfully with our loved ones, family members and near and dear ones. January marks the beginning of a new year. This month is all about corrections, resolutions, goals, plans and the path that we all choose to what? To ascertain that the year turns out to be good. So basically, this month, January month, is also called the planning month, isn't it? Because the previous year might not have been ended on a very good note for some. For some, they must have experienced really the best time of the year, spending time with their family members, working from home, etc. Unfortunately, for a very few, it must not have been a year because of hard hitting reality. Looking at how the previous year we all have dealt with, we know that we are going to cautiously take a few steps, make choices, and take decisions so that the upcoming year turns out to be better, happier, and contentful. We all know that the tables that we are setting are going to be turned to a very happier life, right? We all are welcoming the new year strongly, truly, with strength and courage. We all have shown the previous year has helped us to deal with the crisis boldly and hope for a better tomorrow. Will January 2021 be fruitful in terms of finances, in terms of career, with our loved ones, family ones? Will my love turn out to be a blossom? Oh, yes. Can we expect commitment? All of such questions are going to be answered right here. With the expert astrologer's help, they can get a very great sneak peek so that the upcoming year holds on with bold and future moves accordingly. Hi, I am Tara Polak from Astro Yogi, and today I'm here to take you through all 12 horoscope signs for the month of Jan 2021. If you all are watching this video and have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe and request to press the bell icon to get all the latest video updates related to astrology, horoscopes and tarot. Please feel free to give your feedback in the comment section right below. Right? Here it goes. Next sign, Cancer. To be a Cancer is to feel with such exquisite deepness not just your own feelings but the feelings of others also. This month, your emotions ask that you learn to navigate them. Consider a man who is falling at sea. He is afraid that the water will suck him under, right? But a man who takes the sea with a boat or a dolphin or other such animals adapted to water understand that there is nothing to fear, isn't it? For the water that has its own rhythm and momentum that push and back to the land. On the 4th, as the Venus moves into Sagittarius, which encourages you to keep a tab on your health and well being. Checking on yourself is not always high on your agenda, but it's an absolutely to check your crucial thing to do. On the 28th, as the Venus moves into Capricorn, which can lead to confusion and a clogged mind, something which is blocking your senses of flow. There is a desire for expansion, especially in business, but frustration or resistance in terms of how this can be achieved. On the 5th of January, as the Mercury moves into Capricorn, bringing to the surface relationship challenges such as infidelity and deception or a sense of suffocation. It may be that you have merged too closely with your partner and no longer know where you end and where you begin. Connecting with your authentic inner self can assist you. On the 25th, as the Mercury moves into Aquarius, enabling you to be at your best, drawing attention and praise in the process. Post the 14th of January, this month can generate misunderstandings between your partners. It's not that easy for someone to catch with what you mean. Try to rekindle your relationship and find some common ground. Professionally, this month is exalted and very good. Take care, Cancerians. This is a generalized prediction for all 12 horoscope signs as per the planet transitory positions. In case if you want a very detailed astrological predictions, then please click on the link below given. You will get all your answers to your questions too. Have a great time.
Astroyogi, India's #1 live astrology app.